Yo, 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 guys, you know who it is. And today it is Cooking with Cameron. Say hi to you too.
Howdy.
Well,
your yolk is not going to be yolky.
That's fine.
No, I'm serious. It's not going to be yolky.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Tell the viewers what you are making.
I will be making sunny side up eggs. You don't have any cheese, do you?
What kind of cheese do you need?
It don't matter. As long as it's sliced cheese.
We have 2 kinds. Choose.
I'll use both.
Okay.
Because it's better if you use 2 different things.
So finish what you were making.
Just an egg sandwich, pretty much.
And I will be over here, so I will mostly
get a paper towel or plate.
It's yours. Burn like a fire? No? No.
Can't. Here, put your cheese on.
Okay.
Oh, shoot.
What? We have to clean it off before you make another one?
Yeah. Bad.
That's fine.
I don't want to put it in the water yet.
I don't want to do that quite yet. Stop that.
I could have used that butter. I could have used that.
Oh my god.
God damn it.
Hey, careful. My channel is swearing free.
Yeah.
Sorry guys, but this is the only video where there will be swearing, so.
By accident.
Just not by me, so.
Maybe by her.
And I already know y'all are gonna be commenting, oh my god, is he your boyfriend? Ah. No. He's like a brother to me, we're not related, but.
I'm from Dublin, Ireland.
Yes. I'm like his sister, so.
She's from America.
Well, yes. Considering I basically have no accent.
Okay, I need a trash.
Look it. Okay.
I need a knife.
Knife. No.
No. Oh, my balls.
We have a butter knife.
Sheesh.
Okay, I'm gonna try it. So.
Butter, get off.
Just reminding as I barely eat eggs, so this is like a rare chance. So.
Delicious.
Mhm.
Do you not like it?
No, I actually love it.
You can say you don't like it if you don't like it.
No, I love it. It's actually really good.
See, I'm a good egg maker. Now that I actually have actual butter. Sheesh.
Well, you
my
asked if we had any spray on stuff. Put it
Well,
down.
I mean, regular butter would be fine too.
Do you want me to put that?
If you want.
Well, it's up to you. Mine's gonna be yours now. And I'm just standing here all quiet trying to chew, and you're just like, really? You're recording me? I'm like dying over here. Oh god.
Crap.
rip the headphone users.
I'm sorry. If I knew I was gonna make eggs, I would have brought my own stuff.
But you don't need to do that. I mean, besides, these are basically farm fresh eggs, except there are chicken eggs, so they're even better. So
Die, yolk, die.
oh, finally.
Okay, you can put it down. Put that down. Yes, it's slippery. I have bad grammar. Can you get to that cheese and that cheese?
So one of each. Okay.
Don't murder yourself, eggs. I need you to survive. Not yet. Just put them on top.
You be telling me.
I told you to get it out so I don't have to struggle to get it on. Or get it out later.
Get it on.
Yeah.
Mother of God.
I deserve another donut for that.
Are you okay?
No, my fingers singed.
Well, maybe you should be playing with heat.
Well, maybe you should have asked before I started cooking. Oh my god, it smells amazing in here.
It actually does.
Oil. I don't need that other cheese. Hot.
Are you kidding me?
Yes.
I don't care.
Hurry up, get it out so I don't burn mine. Oh my god, I almost burnt myself again. What is up with this? Why won't it close?
It's never closed. That's why we have a hair tie, you see.
Oh, my god. That ain't butter, that's death.
Okay, you have to get the piece out. It's not going out. It's
That sounded wrong. Set it down. Oh my god, my egg is burning. That is what it's supposed to look like, not like that. Because I'm a dumbass and I don't. It's Irish, leave me alone. That's the Irish in me.
Try it, guys.
What'd you do to my sandwich?
I didn't do anything.
You touched my
Oh
sandwich.
my god, no.
I deserve another donut for burning myself.
Yes.
No, donut.
And what donut is it?
11 pie.
We only got one though, so. Did you seriously take two?
No.
Boy?
Your brother won't kill you.
No. If he tries it, he's just gonna fail because my parents love me too much. At least I think. Just kidding, guys. I know my parents love me, so.
Oh my god, I can't open this. You had this cheese the entire time? Bye.